Did you recently buy an electric vehicle? And are you looking to utilize up to $7,500 of the tax credit? You want to stick around because thousands of people who recently purchased an electric vehicle looking to utilize the tax credit have been denied. In this video podcast, we're going to be going over why it's happening and what you can do if you've been denied the tax credit. Welcome to the Locum CPA Podcast. My name is Stephen Lee, a CPA who specializes in locum medical professionals. In today's video podcast, we're going to be talking about what's been sweeping the U.S. across this tax filing season, the denial of the EV tax credit, why it's happening, and what you can do to not only prevent, but also appeal if you've been denied the tax credit. So let's get right into it. What's happening? The EV tax credit, like I said, can be worth up to $7,500, and it's supposed to incentivize people like yourself to buy electric. So this credit, it's a very big deal, right? And we're really trying to transition away from gas-powered vehicles to electric. But recently, like I mentioned, thousands of buyers who thought they qualified are now getting denied by the IRS, saying that you don't get the credit. If you or someone you know had their EV tax credit denied, please let me know in the comment section below what happened and were you able to fix it. So let's try to help each other together through the situation. So the first one is, why are people getting denied? So let's break it down. There's so many people getting denied, and there really are 4 different reasons why. The first one is a dealer misfiling. So some dealerships, so the place where you purchase the EV vehicle, have incorrectly submitted paperwork when transferring the credit to the buyer at the time of sale. So if there were any errors when the dealer filed the transferring of the credit, the IRS is going to reject the claim. The second is income limits. Remember, to qualify for the EV credit, your income has to be under a certain threshold. And if you earn too much in the tax year that you bought the car, the IRS will deny your claim. Check out the information section in this video. I'll leave a link to what those income limitations are. The third is an ineligible vehicle. Not all electric vehicles qualify. There are strict rules about where the car is made and what materials are used in the battery. So some buyers don't realize that their vehicle didn't meet the requirements. So you want to check that. And lastly is a timing issue. If you bought an EV right before the rule changes went into effect, there could be a discrepancy on whether you qualify based on old versus new policies. So you really want to check the timing. So what can you do if you were denied for the credit, right? So if you're one of the thousands of people who are denied the EV credit, what can you do? So here are some steps you should take. The first one is double check your eligibility. You want to definitely check if you are eligible. Go to the IRS's website and confirm that your car and income actually qualify. Check the information section below. I'll leave a link. Second is contact your dealer, the place where you purchased the EV credit. If the dealer made an error in the paperwork, they might be able to fix it or provide documentation for you to appeal the denial. So you want to check with your dealership. Next is you want to file an appeal. You can challenge the IRS's decision by providing proof that you did qualify. That might mean resubmitting paperwork or correcting mistakes, whether the dealer made, or also showing that your income qualifies as well as your vehicle qualifies. And the last step is really you can seek tax help from a tax professional, whether it's a CPA or an EA. You can always reach out for their help. We know it's frustrating, but don't panic. You want to go through these steps to make sure not only do you qualify, but also did the dealer do all of their part, right, in filing these things correctly? So you want to make sure that everything was done. Remember, if you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to comment if you purchased an EV recently and you've been denied for that EV tax credit, because it's a large one. And we hope that you're able to resolve the issue and receive the credit if you're eligible. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time, and happy filing this tax season. Bye.